Hello viewers, welcome to my channel Route 164. Today I want to review these white lightnings I just received this week, and I was very lucky to get all the white lightnings of this new set of Johnny Lightnings, this new case. I got 4, but we will see that both versions are the same. And well, let's have a look at the first one. This is a Volkswagen, and this is from Johnny Lightning Pro Collector Storage Tin series, and I think this is the 4th or the 3rd or the 4th, maybe the 5th. I lost count. But it's a nice series. Not all of them are nice, but a lot of them. And you get this very nice tin case. Until now I still all have them in the package. But I will take some of them out in time. So there you have the amount of them which they have released. It's 4,972. And this is an ivory white one, as you can see, with golden rims, white tires, and white pearl paint, black interior. And I do love my bugs, and I already knew both versions are the same, but I really wanted this one, so I ordered both of them. Let's have a look at the back side of the packaging. There's your number, more info. That series I only have, I think, the left one with the orange car. I don't have them both. And there you have the 3 releases from this case, which you have 2 colors from both. Pro Collector Storage Tin Release 3 from 2020. So this is the 3rd release. And this is version B. And as you can see, I will take the other one. This is the blue version. Normally it's a blue car, same amount, and it's exactly the same car. So if you have one, you have both versions as a white lightning. So you only need one. I'll probably take one out because I have two versions, and I'm really fond of bugs. Volkswagens, Beetles. And this is a 1975 convertible. So very happy with these. So let's have a look at the other 2. And as I said, the other color has the same white lightning. This is a very nice one. I could have gotten the other one too, but they were not cheap. Also not very expensive. I got them for a very good price. But two of the same was too much for me. If you buy 4, it's already quite an amount of money. So this one has 4,540 pieces. And normally this is vitamin C color, orange. And I think the other one is rouge. I don't have the original set yet. I will buy that one. And this is also a very nice one. Let's have a look at the back. Golden rims, white tires, front of the car. They go for quite some money on eBay, these ones. So there's your whole packaging, and the back is the same. There's the number. As you can see, it's the same packaging. And this is metal base, of course, and rubber tires. So a nice piece. And finally, the Mustang. Let's have a closer look. And this is a Shelby GT350 from 1968. And this is the blue, normally the blue one. Also with this one, both versions have the same white lightning. And this is blue poly, Acapulco blue poly, 4,540 pieces. There's your front. Same style, all have golden rims. And this one also goes for quite some money, more than the Volkswagens. There's your Cobra symbol. And the other one I forgot to mention, it's a Plymouth AAR Cuda from 1970. So let's have a small look at the back. There's the number, and it's the same backside. So those are the white lightnings, and I'm very happy with them, especially with the bugs, because I really like collecting them, these funny cars. Not much power in them, but they are just fun to drive and to look at. So that's my small review. Thank you for watching, and hope to see you in my next video. Have a good day. Bye.